What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Davis. So about 3 years ago, I was at work talking with one of my coworkers and he was saying how he is in a good position to buy a house. He saved up enough for a down payment, he makes enough money for a house, but he was waiting for the market to crash. So like I said, that was about 3 years ago, and I'm in Utah here, and the average price of a home in Utah in 2018 was $309,000, and now in 2021, the average price is about $512,000. So I don't know if he ever bought a house then, but if he would have bought that house back in 2018, he would have made $200,000 in equity. But if he didn't buy a house and was waiting for a crash that entire time, a crash that never happened, he literally would have missed out on $200,000 in equity. So the question is, are we in a bubble right now in 2021 going into 2022? I'm no expert, but I would say no. If you guys know Ryan Pineda, he's a big real estate guy. He's known for e-commerce, and he's actually known for flipping houses as well. So he is planning on buying even more investment properties for 2022. Ryan Pineda even spoke with Grant Cardone himself, and Grant told him that he's gonna also continue buying real estate into 2022 because he thinks that interest rates are gonna be even lower than they are now next year. So in a year from now, he thinks that interest rates are gonna be lower than they are now. There's also been a shortage of literally everything, materials and lumber, so it's even harder to build a house as well. And so people are buying houses, or they're building houses, and then they're buying them before they're even finished building. And there's even bidding wars as well. And this might just be a Utah thing, but people from California are offering $50,000 to $100,000 more for houses here just because of how much cheaper the homes are here in Utah. So people that are native to Utah are trying to buy a house, but then someone from California will come in and outbid them by $50,000 to $100,000. And so, just like with stocks, when there's a huge amount of buyers that want to buy into the asset, the value of the asset continues to climb up. And I think that is the case with the housing market. So since interest rates are really low right now and supposedly will continue to be low into the next year, along with low inventory and high demand, a lot of buyers, I don't think the market will crash anytime soon until we can catch up with demand. If supply is just trailing behind demand and we're continuing to build, until we can catch up with that, I don't think we will have any type of housing market crash. And I don't think we are able to build fast enough to catch up with demand, at least for another decade. And I know that you'll probably see other YouTubers saying that we're in a market bubble, the real estate market's gonna crash and we're all doomed. You'll probably see that, and I don't know if it's just clickbait, maybe they don't actually feel that way, but you'll probably see that, and this is just my opinion. I don't think the market's really going anywhere, at least for another decade. And I do think though that if it does dip, if we do kind of have a little bit of a real estate correction, that people will buy the dip and it'll skyrocket right back up to where it was before and continue to go higher into the next 10, 15, 20 years. And last thing, I am still a small YouTube channel, guys, so we are getting close to the holidays, so if you're feeling extra generous, then subscribe to my channel. And of course, like I always say, with videos like this, since I'm still a new channel, if you like this category, if you like these types of videos, so whatever topic I'm talking about, put a like on the video, that way I know which content to produce in the future, and of course it'll help me out a lot. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, I will catch you later.